Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Model Garages videos, and I'd like to show you my first update on the 53 Chevy here. I have the engine block and transmission assembled and painted. Did the medium blue. Got the carburetor and radiator hose and other engine parts ready to go right here. Have the fan belt assembly and the air cleaner ready to go. Got the exhaust manifold ready to go right here. And the carburetor set up right here. Manifold ready to go. And I also have the fan ready to go right here. Alrighty. And well, that's my first update on the 53 Chevy Bel Air. And don't forget, build your vintage kits. That's what they're made for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'd like to thank all my subscribers and any new subscribers, or if you just found this video somewhere on YouTube. Thank you for watching. And I'll be with the next update in a couple days. Alright, thank you.